the petrol price shot up by 10% as a result of hike in crude oil prices. The price of petrol before the hike was 90 rupees per litre. A person travels 2200 km every month and his car gives a mileage of 16 km per litre. By how many kilometers should he reduce his travel if he wants to maintain his expenditure at the previous level? Here expenditure is same. That is in the ratio 1:1. Initially and finally expenditure is same. And price increased by 10% means if initial price of petrol was 100 rupees, finally it will become 110 rupees because of 10% increment. I'll take it as 10:11 ratio. Now, quantity. Quantity of petrol is directly related to this expenditure ratio. Here expenditure is in 1:1 ratio. So we already know price into quantity is expenditure, which means in order to balance this expenditure ratio, quantity should be 11:10. Quantity ratio should be 11:10. Now 10 into 11 equal to 11 into 10. Expenditure ratio balance. And here distance is directly related to this quantity of petrol you have. Quantity of petrol decreased from 11 to 10 means distance traveled is also decreased from 11 to 10. And here initial distance is 2200. 11 into 200 is 2200. And here distance decreased from 11 to 10 means 1 part decrement. So here reduction is 1 part means 1 part is the 200 kilometer. So option B is your answer. He should reduce 200 kilometer in his journey. Here also you can do this way. Initial expenditure equal to final expenditure.